G'day guys, and welcome back to another episode of the Weekly Mixup. If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you get updated every week when we release these videos. So today we're making the Amaretto Sour. So let's get started. First thing you need to do, grab your rocks glass and fill it up with some ice. Get the glass nice and chilled. All right, put that aside. Now 50 mils of Amaretto. Straight into your shaker. All right, 15 mils of sugar syrup. $15 mils of AQUAFABA. So you can either use AQUAFABA or egg white, up to yourself. And half a lemon, or about 25 mils or so. There we have it. All right, now load it up with some ice and shake away. The glass. I'm going to strain with a Hawthorne strainer directly into the glass. Beautiful. Now, just a dash of bitters on top. You can either put it in the shaker at the start and shake it, or you can, I like it on the top, so just a dash on top. To garnish, we're going to have a dehydrated orange, which we're doing here at the HQ. Stick that on the side. A couple of cherries on a garnish pick. What I'm just going to do now. Just place those in front. And there you have the Amaretto Sour. Enjoy.